Go, kabila side. 3, 4, 5. The other side. Walking, jogging exercise. So iikutin namin yung oval na yon. Malaki yun eh. Lig-isa kayo ni ate. Ikaw muna. And then next will be ate. Alright?
Okay.
Tamad-tamad ka na naman eh. Okay, go. Release.
Release it, release it. Woo.
And put one more push.
Okay.
Okay, release.
This is nice. Dad, can you make it? I'm very
Yeah,
tired.
I'll do it.
I need water.
Why? Bakit?
Make it big.
Ano? Ayaw mo? Mahina?
I like it.
You want
Dad,
more?
make it higher. Yeah.
You want higher?
Yeah, please.
Okay, hold. Are you ready?
Yes.
Don't be scared.